Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon Zoemini, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Android device. First, you need to open the Play Store and find here Canon Mini Print and download this application. During our Zoemini app is opening, we will install the paper cards inside the Canon. So what we need to do, we need to open the cover. To open the cover, as you can see, we have the arrow that shows in which side we need to drag it. So open the cover, and then we need to set up the paper cards. So to set it up, of course we have paper cards, and to buy paper cards for Canon. You can use from other companies too, but it needs to fit to this Canon proportion. Okay, so here we have the calibration card and paper cards. For the paper cards, and we need to install it in this way. So here is the calibration card, 1, 2, and install it. Great, that's it. Now close the cover. On the Canon Mini application, click next, then skip, and click on Add button on the right top corner, then click Allow while using the app, and click Add Printer. And now click and hold on Zoemini app printer power button, click and hold until it will be detected by your Android device. Click OK and try again. So if you have normal Android device, it will detect it normally. Okay, it have detected. So click Canon. And great, I have connected. As you can see here, I have the green light with the battery status on the right top corner. As you can see, I have 57% of the battery. And now I can print something. So to print something, I just need to choose the picture I want to print and click print. Firstly, the calibration card will calibrate our printer. So firstly, we need to wait a second. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.